Man has been admitted to a private hospital on Grems Road in Chennai on Sunday morning after he complained of chest pain. He was taken to the hospital at around 7:30 a.m. where doctors conducted some tests, including an ECG, and the Oscar-winning composer is currently being attended by a team of specialists. According to reports, A.R. Rahman is expected to be discharged in about an hour. My colleague Varshini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Varshini, this is a health scare for A.R. Rahman that has left several fans worried and anxious. What are the updates from the hospital? How is A.R. Rahman doing?
Well, as of now, we do not have an official update from the hospital, but our hospital sources from Apollo in Chennai, where he is currently inside, says that he has been doing stable. There is no much fear with regards to his health conditions. It was a normal checkup, but he also complained of neck pain is what our sources tell us. But we still have to wait for official confirmation from the hospital side with clarification as to what exactly he came into the hospital for and why what kind of treatment is being given to him. At the same time, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has also put out a post on X where he speaks about how he immediately spoke to his family members and got to know about his health conditions, and he was informed that he's doing stable and there is no fear around his health condition, and he will be leaving back home very shortly. And in Apollo hospitals in Chennai, we are expecting an official health bulletin that has to come out any time now, which will clarify as to what is exactly his health condition. But what we are hearing from sources is that he's doing very stable now, and this could come as a very big relief for his fans and his followers as well, because definitely as soon as the news about him being ill broke out and him being coming and checking into a hospital broke out, there has been panic among his fans. So therefore this is definitely a big relief when people say the Chief Minister himself is saying that he is stable. So that is what we're able to pick up for now from the ground.
Okay, all right. In fact, the Chief Minister, like you mentioned, also took to social media since a lot of fans were worried. He took to Twitter to speak about the health update of A.R. Rahman. Here's what he said. He has tweeted in Tamil, so translating it for our viewers, he says, as soon as I heard the news that A.R. Rahman had been admitted to the hospital due to ill health, I contacted the doctors and inquired about his health. They said he's fine and will be back home soon. Happy. So as Varshini was also pointing out, hospital sources also confirming that all is well. There's no reason to worry and that he will be discharged soon. So Varshini, any updates on whether this will keep him away from work for some time? You mentioned, of course, that there's no official word from the hospital what has happened. But since his fans have been waiting for any update to come in, thankfully we do know that there's nothing to worry. After a few tests, he will be discharged from the hospital in just about an hour's time from now. But any information on whether he will be away from work for some time because of this health scare?
Well, we did try to reach out to his family to get to know more details about his condition right now, but we do not have response so far with regards to how he would be going forward with his work commitments. Is something that only he or his family members can clarify. But as of now, since we are aware and we have the Chief Minister also spoken about how he'll be discharged shortly, it does not look like a very severe health condition that he's come in for, because he came in at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning is what we are given to understand, and it has only been a few hours. Therefore, since he is also expected to discharge and get home very shortly, what we are able to understand is that there is a minor inconvenience that he might have felt, and our source also confirmed to us that there was a neck related issue. So maybe that is what he's getting treated for, which could take a few days time of recovery for him, post which we can expect him to get back to his work commitments, because this is also about we are speaking about the most important music composer in the Indian film industry, yes, and who's also doing constant shows abroad and in India. So there must be a lot of work commitments lined up for him. So he once he's out of the hospital, we can expect another official statement from him or his family side as well about his work related commitments as well.
Yes, absolutely. And especially considering he has a very strong fan base, I'm sure he will also be putting out the information of his health update. Varshini, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, let's shift our attention now. Well, viewers, ahead of the assembly elections in Bihar,